Today, we will solve another tricky question. How to find total number of factors of 16. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 16 in index form. Start dividing 16 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 16 exactly, we get 8. Again, start dividing 8 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 8 exactly, we get 4. Again, start dividing 4 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 4 exactly, we get 2. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 2 divides 2 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. Now, collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2, and 2. So, prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This can be written as 2 to the power 4. This is the index form. Got it? Step 2. Use the below formula to find total number of factors. In this case, the prime factorization of 16 in index form is 2 to the power 4. So, 4 becomes A. Now, let us apply the formula. Total number of factors of 16 equals A plus 1 equals 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Got it? Observe, in this case, we have only one prime factor, that is 2. So, we will have value only for A. Hence, we can ignore B and C. Got it? You can verify by finding all factors of 16. They are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, 16 has totally 5 factors. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.